Hello. In this video, we'll show you how to terminate an employee from the system. First, select the Employee tab on the left-hand side, followed by the employee that you need to terminate. In this case, we're going to terminate Robert Jones. Double-clicking into his record will bring up the employee information. On the right-hand side, currently the employee's active is status, which will need to be changed to terminated, and the termination date entered or his last day worked. You can enter the date or use the calendar feature. Once the termination date and status have been changed, go ahead and save the changes. This employee will no longer show up in the active list as they are in a terminated status. If needed, to access information for a terminated employee, you can come back to your active list and select additional features or search criteria. In this case, we want to show active employees or employees that are terminated. So in my criteria, I'll show items with the value equal to active or equal to terminated. And click Filter. I will now be able to see and access information for active and terminated employees. We notice Robert Jones at the bottom is currently showing with a terminated status. If Robert Jones becomes active again, or the termination was done in error, click back into the employee record and change the status back to active, and remove the termination date. If this is a rehire, you can enter the employee's original hire date and the new hire date that you'll be using for this employment, for the second part of their employment. So just as a reminder, processing a termination is done through the employee record, changing the status to terminated, and entering a termination date. And save your changes.